Hello, guys. My name is Yuri Lobynstev. I'm CTO and co-founder at Cindicator. Crypto space is experiencing unprecedented times, and we're all evolving to the new phase of decentralized life. It's very interesting for all of us. What will the new year bring to us? We have prepared for you predictive analytics generated by hybrid intelligence at Cindicator, and I'm excited to have this opportunity and share it with you. I will take a couple of minutes uh, to tell you about what is Cindicator and how hybrid intelligence technology works. And then I will move to predictive analytics that hybrid intelligence generated about the most important events for the crypto in 2021. I advise you to prepare making screenshots in 2-3 minutes, as some of the important predictions will be presented visually with the graphs on the presentation. So what is Cindicator and where it's coming from? We started Cindicator 6 years ago with the idea to combine collective intelligence with artificial intelligence and apply it for effective decision making. What is hybrid intelligence? It's a platform that unites more than 160,000 analysts who make predictions on the market on a daily basis. And these predictions are enhanced by artificial intelligence and machine-based learning algorithms to have accurate predictions. Based on the statistics of analysts' predictions, algorithms dynamically change the weight of trust to those who are more accurate, identifying those whom we call super forecasters. In the end, we get predictive indicators that are used by investment strategists, traders, and investors. During 5 years, Cindicator did lots of public predictions on huge movements like Brexit, the bottom point of global market during the crisis of 2020 caused by COVID, current elections in US, and those swings on the market that we all have seen in 2017, 2018. We have asked 8 most interesting questions that predict 2021 for the crypto space. And now I'm excited to share with you the results of those predictions. So here are these questions. Probably one of the most interesting is, what 5 crypto assets would you long until the end of 2021? So we have these assets that you can see on the graphs and their comparison to each other. I will not name them all, so it's much easier to perceive this kind of information visually. And don't forget to take screenshots so you can compare these results by the end of the year with predictions. Another question of what 5 crypto assets are most undervalued. And these are the assets that our technology and analysts identified as the most undervalued. So these are the assets that are good to play at this moment. The third question is the most often question that we use to ask to our analysts is about the range in which Bitcoin will live during the next year. And we ask this question 3 times a week. And here on the graph, we can see how this prediction is changed during the time. And it doesn't change a lot. So the range used to be perceived as 20 from 20 to 60 or 25, 55. That's the major prediction that we have stably during the last months. What is the total value locked in DeFi, and will it hit 50 billion in 2021? And we see that the level of optimism is pretty high. So thousands of people are pretty sure that it will hit this psychological number. Will the SEC approve Bitcoin ETF in the next year? This indicator is also very positive. So we are thinking that yes, that finally this year will bring us to the new phase even more. Will stablecoins exceed 100 billion in terms of market capitalization next year? And this indicator is also very positive. We used to perceive indicators that are higher than 75% as very likely that this will happen. What the total value staked on Ethereum 2 hit 10 billion in the next year. And we also see that both crowd and top users, our super forecasters, thinks that it will hit 10 billion. So these are the predictions of what would be the main trends in crypto in 2021. So this year will bring us mass adoption. This year still will show us significant growth of DeFi applications and solutions. As we know, NFT is one of the key trends, and it will be key trend in the next year. What is very interesting is that institutional adoption will grow and expand the next year, and looks like this is the game changer that will change everything, and all the other trends that you see on the graph. So these are the predictions that we generated at Cindicator. To believe it or not, it's you to decide. I can say about Cindicator that we do make predictions, and we do develop technology of hybrid intelligence that generates predictions, and we do that already for 5 years. And we had a long run for this moment, and lots of predictions that were validated publicly. So the accuracy of our predictive analytics is pretty high, and you can easily check it. I will use this small opportunity for small product placement, showing you what we do, and if these predictions will be true, and you will find it by the end of the next year. You can come back and try to use our products where we provide predictive analytics, and we provide algorithmic investment strategies and trading robots through the product that we call Stoic, which is showing quite a good results and already doing that for a couple of years. So here is the QR code that you can scan if you want to check how it works. I'll be happy to answer to any questions, and I'm open for contacts. So here are the contacts. See you around and have a good day. Bye-bye.